Did you buy a retirement plan for yourself? Are you looking for a pension plan which gives you a guaranteed return for life? How about taking a pension plan which is guaranteed by Government of India? Good morning friends, my name is Sukhdeep Singh Komal and I work for LIC of India as an insurance advisor and provide insurance solutions and services to NRIs. LIC Jeevan Shanti is one such pension plan which covers all the above questions. That is, fixed pension for life, guaranteed by Government of India. You pay the premium only once and you decide when you want to start your pension or you plan your retirement yourself. Friends, as name suggests, it is Jeevan Shanti, means peaceful life. Everyone wants to have a peaceful retirement life. At this stage, you don't want to have any kind of hassles or stresses in your life. Like if you keep your money into the share market, you will always remain concerned with the fluctuations. Similarly, if you plan your retirement with the rental income, there would be a lot of hassles related to tenant dealings, legal documentations and litigations. And if you keep your money into the bank rates would keep falling. At this stage, everyone wants to have a fixed income which is credited into his account on first of every month. And this is possible only by LIC Jeevan Shanti. So before I explain you the plan, let's understand why NRIs should invest in Jeevan Shanti or why NRIs should choose LIC Jeevan Shanti as a retirement plan. The first and foremost is it is the most secured investment. Friends, as you are aware, all the LIC plans, Government of India has a sovereign guarantee over it. Your money, your investment and the bonuses accrued on your policy are fully guaranteed, are fully secured by Central Government of India. Second, LIC Jeevan Shanti is a single premium plan. That means you only need the premium only once. You don't need to pay a regular premium. This is a security against falling rate of interest. Friends, as you are aware that rate of interest are falling everywhere, in every country. So when you sign up for LIC Jeevan Shanti, your annuity or your rate of interest is fixed at that time itself, depending upon the deferment period you choose. We'll explain in the presentation as well. So that annuity would remain fixed for whole life. It cannot be changed during the plan term. Another feature is it can be taken as a single life or a joint life. That means you can take it individually on your name or you can take it with your wife, with your children, with your parents. So when what happens in case of joint life, annuity is paid to the first annuitant till he is alive. After his death, the same annuity is paid to the second annuitant till he or she is alive. Another very good option, that is the assignment option. Now, what is the assignment option? That means, for example, and it is very useful for NRIs. For example, there is any relative or any brother or sister or parents, anyone in India is need of financial help from you, or you want to help someone, some NGO or some religious institute or anyone, but you don't want to put your money into their account. I mean, you want to you want to have a safety of your money. So what you can do, you can take Jeevan Shanti, put the assignment to that person or that institute. You can decide how much money to be paid to them. I mean, you can do it part assignment as well, and you can fix the period as well. For example, you say that 50% of the annuity should go to the person and remaining 50% comes to you, and you want to have for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, whatever the period you want to choose. I give you an example. One of my client, had a relative, a distant relative who got died, and he wants to help the family. So what he did, he took the Jeevan Shanti on his name, put the assignment on the family of the deceased. Now the deceased family is getting 20,000 per month as a help from the NRI person, and he put the assignment for 10 years. Like after 10 years the kids would grow up and they will start earning the money. After that they don't need any help from him. So after 10 years automatically the assignment would stop and the money, the annuity would start going to the NRI person. And in case of any mishappening during the plan term, he has nominated his wife as a beneficiary. So the investment money plus 5% additional would go to his wife. So this is a very good option when you want to help someone in it. Another option is it gives you the multiple annuity options. You can choose monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly as per your requirements. The last one is the death benefits. This plan is not an annuity plan, it also gives you the insurance cover. So insurance cover during the deferment period is higher, and once your annuity starts, it starts reducing. I will show you in the illustration later as well. And after a certain period, it becomes 105% of the invested amount or the purchase price. Now let's see the plan parameters. The Jeevan Shanti plan parameters are like the minimum age of entry is 30 years and maximum age of entry is 79 years. That means any person between 30 years to 79 years can take this plan. And minimum age of vesting, that means when your annuity would start is 31 years and maximum age is 80 years. That means in case a 79 years person joins LIC Jeevan Shanti, he would get a maximum deferment period of 1 year because annuity must start after 80 years. Minimum purchase price is 1,50,000 and there is no upper limit. You can invest as much money as you want to. Annuity mode are monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly, and the deferment periods you can choose is 1 year to 12 years. The minimum is 1 year and maximum can be 12 years. Talking about the benefits of Jeevan Shanti, it offers two kind of benefits. One is survival benefits and another is death benefits. For single life, the survival benefits are paid immediately after completion of the deferment period. The annuity is paid as per the mode he has chosen, and it is paid for whole life. The death benefits during the deferment period is purchase price plus accrued additional granted benefits, and I will definitely show you these accrued benefits in an illustration later in the video. And death after the deferment period, it is 105% of the purchase price. In case of joint life, survival benefits are paid to the first annuitant after completion of the deferment period, and as long as both the annuitant are alive. And in case of death of the first annuitant, the no death benefits are paid, but the annuity is paid to the second annuitant for the rest of his or her life. In case of death of both the annuitant in the joint life, the purchase price plus 105% of the purchase price is paid to the nominee after death of both the annuitant. So friend, let's understand Jeevan Shanti through an illustration. I have taken this illustration, the person age as 50 years. At 50 years, he is joining Jeevan Shanti with an investment of 1 crore rupees. NRIs are exempted of GST, otherwise GST is 1.8% in this plan. But if NRI is investing the money or paying the premium through his or her NRI account or in a foreign currency, GST is exempted to him. So these are the comparison table of different deferment periods he chooses. Now, for example, if he chooses 1 year deferment, after 1 year, the annual annuity would be 5,49,000. Similarly, half yearly and quarterly and monthly are also shown in the table. In 2 years deferment, he will get 5,85,000. In 3 years deferment, 6,24,000 rupees. And in case of 12 years deferment, he will get 10,25,000. So at 10 years deferment, he would get 9,20,000 rupees. So these are the different deferments available. So you can choose any deferment from 1 year to 12 years, and so your annuity would be. Similarly, you can choose the for example, if the person has chosen 12 years deferment and he goes for monthly annuity, he would get 81,923 rupees per month for whole life. Now let's go to the second part. This premium is inclusive of GST. If you are paying the premium as explained in from NRI account, you only need to pay 1 crore rupees. This 1,80,000 would be waived off. So in this case, if you see that your natural risk cover is in the first year and second year and third year is growing, and at the time after 12 years when your annuity is starting, your risk cover at that time is 2 crore 4,71,000. That means in case of any mishappening at this stage, at the age of 62, the nominee would get 2 crore rupees. Or if mishappening happens at the age of 61, the nominee would get 2 crore 14 lakh rupees. So it is growing, and from here, if you see the annuity starts and this risk cover is decreasing by the amount annuity amount you are getting. And after 10 years, at this point of at the age of 72, the risk cover or the amount which was paid to the nominee in case of death is 1 crore 5 lakh rupees. Now the person started at the age of 50, that means for another 21 years he is getting a higher amount than his invested amount, and it is much higher. After 72 it is 105%. Now here he is getting 10,25,000 per annum, and this amount would be paid till he is alive, till 100 years, right? Friends, apart from this, there is another very interesting question which often NRIs ask me, that in case of any need, if they want to want some money in between or want to close this plan. So friend, in this plan there is another option of taking the loan as well. So he can take any time loan of 53,94,000. So this loan is available, and if someone takes this loan, so he needs to pay the interest only to the LIC. The principal amount would be deducted once the plan is closes from the principal amount. So this is another very good feature available after retirement. Very few financial institutions are ready to give you loan. So in case of any emergency, any need, you have an option to take the loan as well. So friends, in case of person who are above 60 years, and if they want to start an immediate annuity, LIC also offers Jeevan Akshay option, which gives you immediate annuity option. So if you don't want to wait for 1 year or 5 year or 10 year, 1 year, 5 year, 10 year deferment is good for people who are yet to retire, who are between 45 to 55, who have some time to start the pension. But people who are already crossed 60 and they want to have some pension plan, they can go for Jeevan Akshay, which is an annuity plan. You can call me, you can contact me through my website. My contact number and my website link is given in the description box. You can discuss your needs. I will definitely give you the best option that is most suitable to you. or even if you need any help, any assistance, you can call me as well. One more question which often NRIs ask, whether they should buy this plan online or offline. So friends, if you uh, uh, go for online option, if you purchase it online on the LIC website, you get some, I think 1% or 2% of discount, but there you need to pay the GST, which is 1.8%. In the offline mode, you will get GST exemption, which is 1.8%, and plus a personalized services as well. After taking the policy, you need to change nominee, you want to have an assignment, anything, so I would be always available to you. So friends, I look forward to have a serve you to serve my NRI clients. Do contact me whenever you want to. Thank you very much.